Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by measuring each wall precisely, height and width, and add 1/2 inch for trimming. Clean the wall with a degreaser, sand glossy spots so adhesive will bite, and apply a primer to very porous RV paneling. Once done, remove trim, outlet plates, and any loose fixtures so you have a clear surface. Cut the wallpaper into full-length strips now, matching pattern repeats. This saves time and keeps seams aligned. Make sure to label each strip for its wall location. You apply the adhesive specified for vinyl or RV substrates with a 3/8 nap roller, working in sections so glue stays tacky. Hang the top edge first and leave a 1/2 inch overhang at ceiling and floor. Align the pattern carefully with the previous strip. Smooth the paper from the center outward to expel air, and use a seam roller along the joins for a tight bond. If overlapping is required by the product, trim the top layer with a straight edge for a clean seam. You trim excess wallpaper with a fresh blade, cutting along a straight edge so edges sit flush. Then reinstall trim and switch plates to lock edges in place. Seal vulnerable seams with a clear seam sealer, especially around sinks, windows, and vents, to prevent moisture ingress. Once finished, inspect for bubbles or lifting. If you find them, heat the area gently with a hair dryer, press with a seam roller, and if needed, peel back a small section and reapply adhesive. That fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.